Hello, good morning, and thank you for joining me in my shop here on May 6th. A beautiful sunny day outside, and that's where I really want to be. I actually don't want to be down here. But I do want to get something done today on this radio, and I see there's 2 wax capacitors left. Let me get them out, and we'll try the radio out. That's my goal today, and see how quick I can do this. Okay, let's check these 2 guys out. First one's here, 50 volts, watching the eye. Surprise, doesn't open. So the capacitors in this radio were consistently, I would say, poorer than average for an old radio like this. Not a lot poorer, but usually on 50 volts you can get this to open up a little bit, and then 150 it won't open at all. These ones even 50 volts. Here we go. Even 50 volts. Yeah. Bad actors. Okay. Well, the replacements are in. And we should try operating this radio. Once again, so here's the ones I put in. These 2 here. Okay, good. Here we go. Do you know what? I do not have the antenna switched on down here. And the last time it was a question of, well, where's all the stations? So I better go turn that antenna on. And I'll just leave this like this. Okay, I obviously switched on the antenna. The volume is not zeroing out. Now, do I remember right? I discovered there's alternate paths for audio to get through around the volume control. I don't know if that's true or not, but we can look into that. There's a ridiculous amount of volume in this radio. Lovely. Okay. Uh-oh. So I think the oscillator stops. Oscillator back. Dirt in there. Wow, these last 2 capacitors really made a big difference. Traffic in Toronto. There's a highway runs a highway called Highway 401. Runs right through the center of what is now kind of the center of Toronto. It's not really the center, but runs through the city for miles and miles and miles, and it's the busiest highway in North America. You might think the busiest highway in North America is in the United States, but it's not. The French station there. Getting stations up here is excellent. So the plate here looks really, really close. Didn't that do it? Huh, how do you like that? I moved that plate and it came and went. I think that was it. Fantastic. Okay, funny thing with the volume, is that really a big problem? I don't think that even qualifies as a big problem because nobody listens to the radio silent. So you're always going to turn the volume up a little bit. Fantastic. Well, that's it for today because it's too nice a day to be in here. Tomorrow, alignment, unless the beautiful sun keeps shining. Even then, I might do the alignment. We're done on this radio. Wonderful. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.